Hey guys, welcome to Android Mate. In this video I will show you how to retrieve, store data from Firebase Firestore. Before showing you how to retrieve data from Firestore, I would like to show you a small recap of storing data using animation. To store data we are going to use Firebase Authentication and Firebase Firestore. Note, it is not necessary to use both together. I'm using it cause I'm creating a sign up page. Note I have provided all the necessary links in description. So let's start. I have declared all the necessary variables globally in signup class. Then I have initialized the variables inside on create method. Then I have initialized Firebase Auth and Firebase Firestore variables inside on create method. Then make sign in text clickable. Clicking this will redirect user to login page. Then set on click listener on sign up button. Then get the data from edit text and convert it into string and store it in string variables. Add some validations. Create a sign up method. Let's move to the sign up method. Inside sign up method, firstly invisible the sign up button and make progress bar visible. We are going to authenticate the user by storing email and password in Firebase Authentication. If user is authenticated successfully, then we will store full name, email and mobile in Firebase Firestore. Here we are done with storing data part. Let's proceed with retrieving data from Firebase Firestore. We are going to retrieve three data, that is full name, email, mobile number. That's why I have created three text view. I have provided the source code of XMail file in description. Let's move to the coding part. Create three variables of type text view for full name, email and mobile number. Create four variables of type string to store full name, email, mobile number and logged in email. Declare Firebase Authentication variable. Declare Firebase Firestore variable. Let's initialize all the variables. Let's check whether user is logged in or not. If user is logged in, then we will store the logged in email in logged email, or else we will toast an error. Now we are writing a query to fetch or retrieve data from Firebase Firestore. As you can see, our collection name is users. Now we have got the data from Firebase Firestore and we have stored them in string variables. Last step, let's set the data to their specific text views. Let's test our app. As you can see, our app is working fine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe Android Mate.